Hello dear student, your e-learning classes Sri Vardhaman Adarsh Vidya Mandir English Medium School Balotra. Now your class third, subject mathematics, your chapter 2 and 3. It's combined we will do addition and subtraction. Now in your previous class we will discuss on the subtraction and addition in various way. Okay, now today we will discussion on this topic, properties of addition and subtraction. Properties of addition and subtraction. Now we will start with addition. You can see addition. Your first property is order property. Order property means if you have addition number with 3, 4, 5 digit, like these orders are not interchanging. Yeah, these order we will interchange. That not matter because order properties have not combined in this addition, not represent in this addition. Like if you addition by 47 add by 85, like you can see 47 is your first number and add by 85 your second number. Like you can do this way, is regrouping, like first number is 47 and second number is 85 and you can add this 7 add by 5 it's 12, 1 is carry, 4 add by 1, 5 add by 8, 5 and 8 13. It means 132 is your answer. Like we can do this way 32. Now first is 47 and second is 85. Now we will interchange order of these two numbers. Like 85 is your first order and second 47 is your second order. Like first we will first numberize that 47 add by 85, second interchange with 85 as a first and first number interchange with as a second. Like, and now we will add 85 by 47. Like first is 85, second is 47, 5 and add by 7 it's 12, like 1 is carrying, 8 by 4 12 and 1 is 13. What you find? The resultant is 132. Like 132. You can see that 47 add by 85 it's 132 and also 85 add by 47 it's also the same resultant. You can see the both resultant 132, 132. Then you consult that. You can say that the order property in addition is not represented. Like second example of this, you can see 15 add by 9, 15 add by 9 24. Your resultant is 24 and first is 15, second is 9. You can interchange it. 9 add by 15 it's also 24. Okay, then you can see ordered property. Second is grouping property, your grouping property. Now you can understand about the small kostak and we will describe the group in this number. Like 4 and 7 is made group and add by 6. 4 and 6 is one group with represent by a small कोष्टक. एक कोष्टक में दो नंबर and add by 7. First you will solve the कोष्टक number. 6 add by 4 its resultant is 10. You can do first a small कोष्टक and then the outer number. Like 10 add by 7, 10 add by 7, it means 17. Okay, now the second, इस ग्रुप को इंटरचेंज करता हूं. फर्स्ट 4 and 6 का जो ग्रुप था और आउटर नंबर थे 7. नाउ वी विल इंटरचेंज दिस. Now you can see 4 is outer now, and 6 and 7 is grouping part in small kostak. Now you can firstly solve this small kostak first. Now 4 is same 2. Now 7 and 6, 6 and 7 is 13. Now 4 add by 13, your resultant is 17. You can see the both result is same. It's have 17, it's also have 17. First group 7 and 6. Second group 4 and 6. Now you can see the when we will interchange the group of property, it also not represent in addition. Okay. Now your third property. You can see the third property, adding 1. Adding by 1. If you have any number and you will add by 1 this number, like 467, add by 1. What you find? 467 add by 1. It means 1 up counting. Only 1. 467 add by 1, 468. This is your successor number of 467. You can already done this successor and predecessor part on your chapter first. When we will add one number with any number, you will find the successor part. Okay. Now your fourth properties, adding 0. If you have any number, you add in this number by 0, you will find the same number, like 7 add by 0. What you find? Because 0 have no quantity, 0 have no value. Now 7 add by 0, what we will find? The same number is also 7. Now your first properties, order properties. Addition have no order properties. Second, grouping properties. Also group properties have not. Now adding by 1, you will find the successor. Now adding by 0, you will find the same number. Okay. Now your subtraction property. Now you will do your subtraction property, like first is here. Subtracting 1, you will find the predecessor. You will find the predecessor. Subtracting 1, like if you have 47 less by 1, what you find? 47 less by 1, you find your resultant is 46. You can see the 46 is predecessor of 47. Backward number, backward counting only 1. 47 less by 1, resultant is 46. It's your predecessor. Now you can subtract by 1, you find the predecessor. Now second properties, subtracting 0. Subtracting by 0, you will find same number, like if you have 17 less by 0, what you find? 17 less by 0, 0 have no value. Okay. Now 17 less by 0, its answer is 70 is also. 70 is same and answer is also same. Now you can see that the subtracting by 0, you will find the same number. Now your third properties of subtracting. Subtracting itself. Itself means उसी को उसी number से subtract करना. Like you have a number and you will subtract same to same number. You find 0. Like 36 have your question number and you will subtract by itself. 36 को 36 से ही सब्सट्रैक्ट करना. Like same to same number, when you subtract, you will find the 0. You will find the 0. Your first property of subtraction is subtracting 1. You will find predecessor. Subtracting 0, you will find same number. Now third, subtracting itself, you will find 0. Okay. Next. Okay. Now your next, regrouping. First you understand about regrouping. If you have one formation, one row formation addition like this. Like you have 3-digit number 470 add by 4714 add by 374 like first digit, second digit and third digit. In your row form, you can regroup it. You can regroup and then solve your standard method. Like your first number is here, second number, third number. You can make first a abacus scale. Your first is ones part, second is tens part, third is hundreds part and fourth is thousand parts. First 470, 70 में 0 ones में, 7 tens में and 4 is 100. Now 3714, 3000 means 1000 part is 3, 7 is 100 parts and 140, 14 is tens and ones part. Third digit 374. Now 300, 103 part and 7 is tens part and 4 is ones part. Now if you have no number, you will do 0 on this number. Like first row is ones, you will solve easily. 0 add by 4 and find your resultant in ones part and carry here. Now you can solve easily. So regrouping means first you row form, you will regroup this way. Now today's homework is here. First, let us do 2.1 exercise. Page number 37. You have 3 questions. First question have 5 part, 1 to 5. A number question have 5 part. Second B number and third your C number. You can solve easily. Now second, let us do 3.1 exercise. Page number 53. It's also same to this homework. Like question number A, it also have 5 part. You will solve in your homework. Thank you.